Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Gain Explains Mental Maths Tutorials.
Houston, we have a problem.
26% of 50. This looks tricky, but not if you put on a pair of special glasses and flip it. A strategy I call percentage flipping. All will be revealed in a few moments, but let's begin with what you already know. You know that 50% is the same as a half, and that to half an amount, you just need to divide it by 2. To find 50% of an amount, you also just need to divide it by 2. You also hopefully know that 25% is the same as a quarter, and to calculate a quarter of an amount, you just need to divide it by 4. To find 25% of an amount, you also just need to divide it by 4. You may also know that 75% is the same as 3/4. And to find 3/4 of an amount, you just need to divide it by 4 and then multiply the answer by 3. To find 75% of an amount, you also just need to divide it by 4 and then multiply that answer by 3. You might also know that 33% is the same as a third. And to find a third of an amount, you just need to divide it by 3. To find 33% of something, you also just divide it by 3. Having made that clear, it's time to put on our glasses. Drum roll, please. Percentage flipping works on the understanding that 50% of 10, which is 5, gives exactly the same answer as 10% of 50. Which of course is also 5. You can flip the numbers around and get the same answer. So back to our original tricky question. 26% of 50 gives the same answer as 50% of 26. And that second question is so much easier. Just half 26 and you get the answer of 13. Let's look! Haha! Did you get the pun? At another one. 12% of 25.
Okay.
Where's my super suit?
At first glance, this looks a little tricky, but let's put on our special percentage flip glasses. 12% of 25 becomes 25% of 12. 25% is the same as a quarter, so we just need to find a quarter of 12. 12 shared between 4 gives us 3. Another piece of cake. Time to do some independent practice. Pause the video, pick your level, and start doing some mental maths magic.